welcome back lettering squares. So it is the part 2 of Ultimate Blind Calligraphy Challenge. Yay! As you know, what we have to do is to take one chit from this side to decide our alphabet and to take one chit from this side to decide our style, and then do 6 names starting from the letter in this style. It can be yours or any names. So let's get started. So let's pick one chart first from this side to know which alphabet we are doing today. And okay, this will be our alphabet. Let's see what is it. Okay, so it is the letter P. So today we are doing 6 names that starts with the letter P. Now let's pick one chit from the other side to know which style we are doing today. Our style will be... Let's see which style is it. I hope it's a good one. And it is... Heart! So today we're doing the 6 names that starts with the letter P in the heart calligraphy. Yay! You're literally gonna love this. Okay, so today our first P letter name that we're doing today in the heart calligraphy would be Protic. So let's do the name Protic in heart calligraphy. Comment down below if this name belongs to any of you. It's probably one of my subscribers' name that I saw. Okay, so it is Protic in heart calligraphy. Our second P letter name in heart calligraphy would be Peter. Comment down below if any of you has the same name and like this video. So let's do Peter. Okay, so it is Peter in heart calligraphy. Our third P letter name that we are doing today in heart calligraphy would be Pervez. I hope it will be one of your names. So let's do Pervez in heart calligraphy. It's okay, but it's also magic calligraphy, as you can see. So it is Pervez in heart calligraphy. Our fourth P letter name in heart calligraphy that we are doing today would be Putty. So let's do Putty in heart calligraphy. Okay, so it is Putty in heart calligraphy. So our fifth P letter name in heart calligraphy would be Perveen. So let's do Perveen in heart calligraphy. So this is the name Perveen in heart calligraphy, but also magic. Sixth and the last P letter name that we're doing today in heart calligraphy would be Piyush. So let's do the name Piyush in heart calligraphy. So it is Piyush in hard calligraphy. So here are challenges to do P-letter names in hard calligraphy. And the names are Protik, Peter, Parvez, Pari, Parveen, and Piyush. If any of these names belongs to you, then comment down below and tell me. And tell me if you want an other blind calligraphy video and if you like this video, so comment down below, like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you want more blind calligraphy challenge videos. Bye!